20 classic cars, all under $5,000. From a 65 Mustang and 79 Camaro Z28 to a rare Datsun 260Z and even a 1958 Chevy Apache truck. Some run, some need serious work, but every one of them is a real project opportunity. Number 1. 1976 Mercury Comet, $5,000. Starting the list is a 1976 Mercury Comet located in Olinda, Tennessee. This compact American coupe shows just under 100,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The seller states that the car runs and handles well overall, although a few mechanical items still need attention, including the brakes, speedometer, and fuel gauge. Cosmetically, the car shows typical wear for its age, with some surface rust on the top and additional rust underneath, though the seller notes it is not severe. Aside from those issues, it is described as a solid running classic that could be improved with some cosmetic work. With an asking price of $5,000, this Comet appears to be a usable vintage project car. Number 2. 1977 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible, $4,800. Next is a 1977 Volkswagen Beetle convertible located in Emell, Alabama. This classic VW shows around 200,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Originally a fuel-injected car, it has been converted to a carburetor setup. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, but has trouble idling at times. The braking system has recently been replaced and is said to work properly. The interior remains original, while the convertible top shows some signs of age and wear. With good tires and a running engine, this Beetle appears to be a usable driver that may need minor tuning. Number 3. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, $3,500. Next is a 1965 Plymouth Barracuda located near Atlanta, Georgia. This early Barracuda is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with column shift. The seller describes it as a good running car and a solid starting point for someone looking for a manageable project. The car will need new tires and the brakes to be properly bled before it can be driven safely. Some body work has already been performed, including patched floor pans and repairs around the spare tire area in the trunk. It also has a new exhaust system installed. While the lower quarter panels will eventually need replacement, the vehicle still retains its original spare tire and jack and comes with a clean title. Number 4. 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $2,800. Next on the list is a 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu located in Pine City, New York. This classic mid-1970s Chevrolet sedan features an automatic transmission and is described as having an engine that runs well with strong oil pressure at idle. The vehicle includes air conditioning components, although the lines for the system were previously cut and will need repair. Several new parts have already been installed on the car, but it still requires additional work. The exhaust system is currently disconnected between the headers and tailpipes, and the brake booster has not yet been hooked up. The roof also has a dent caused by a fallen tree limb. Because of these unfinished repairs, the seller recommends transporting the vehicle by trailer. Number 5. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $4,500. Next is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This late 1970s performance coupe is powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine runs well and has recently received a new radiator and starter. The transmission reportedly shifts smoothly, although it does have a fluid leak. The braking system and tires are described as being in good condition. The car was repainted by a previous owner and is considered a solid overall project vehicle. The seller recommends bringing a trailer when picking it up and notes that additional parts, including the headlights, are included with the sale.
Six 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $4,500. Next is a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe located in Wickliffe, Ohio. This early first-generation Mustang is powered by a 289 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a project car that still needs to be finished, but includes most of the necessary components. The only missing exterior pieces mentioned are the front and rear valances. The interior seats will also need to be recovered. Despite the remaining work required, the car comes with a clear title and the essential parts needed to complete the build, making it a potential restoration candidate for Mustang enthusiasts. Seven, 1969 Ford Falcon, $1,500. Next is a 1969 Ford Falcon located in Forest Hill, Maryland. This car is equipped with a 200 cubic inch inline-six engine and a C4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle runs, drives, and stops, and many new parts have already been installed during the project. The floor panels have mostly been replaced, and the remaining patch panel and new fuel tank are included with the sale. The seller notes that finishing the remaining floor work and installing the seats would be the final steps before putting the car fully back on the road. With a clean Maryland title and several included parts, this Falcon appears to be a nearly completed project. Eight, 1969 Ford Falcon, $2,500. Another 1969 Ford Falcon appears next on the list, this one located in Attica, Michigan. This example also features an inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission and has been used as a daily driver for several years. The car runs and drives, although it sometimes stalls without warning and can be difficult to keep running during cold starts. The transmission currently shifts by easing off the throttle because the kickdown cable has broken, though a replacement cable is included. The car has undergone many repairs over the years, including replacement frame sections and body patches. While rust is still present in several areas, the car includes original documentation dating back to 1969, along with numerous newer components. Nine, 1973 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan, $4,999. Next is a 1973 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Elite Sedan located in Arlington Heights, Illinois. This large luxury sedan shows approximately 69,000 original miles and features an automatic transmission. Finished in yellow with a matching yellow interior, the car represents the full-size American luxury styling typical of the early 1970s. The seller states that the vehicle runs and drives well and comes with a clean title. With relatively low mileage and a price just under $5,000, this Oldsmobile appears to be a functioning vintage cruiser rather than a full restoration project. Seven, 1973 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus, $5,000. Closing out the first part is a 1973 Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus, located in Belmont, New York. This Mopar coupe is described as a solid project car with very little rust. The car is equipped with a 440 engine, although the seller is not certain if it is the original motor. It appears to have newer cylinder heads installed and was originally an air-conditioning car. Several trim pieces and door panels are included with the vehicle, along with additional spare parts. The exhaust system and headers are currently missing, but the seller notes that the body structure is very solid. With a price of $5,000, it appears to be a strong starting point for a Mopar restoration project.
$11, 1970 Buick Electra 225, $1,800. Next is a 1970 Buick Electra 225 located in Washington, D.C. This large four-door luxury sedan from Buick's flagship lineup is being sold mainly as a parts car. According to the seller, the engine will start if gasoline is poured directly into the carburetor, suggesting a fuel delivery issue. The vehicle is complete but does not currently have a title, which may limit how it can be registered depending on local regulations. Despite that, the Electra 225 is known for its large body design and comfortable ride typical of early 1970s American luxury cars. At $1,800, it could be useful as a donor vehicle or a potential project for someone familiar with title recovery processes. 12. 1974 Datsun 260Z, $2,000. Next is a 1974 Datsun 260Z located in Poinet, Wisconsin. This early Z-car project is in rough condition but remains an appealing option for enthusiasts because classic Z models have become increasingly sought after. The vehicle includes both the engine and transmission, although their condition is unknown. The seller notes rust in multiple areas, including the floors, rockers, and body panels, and the interior is worn and mostly incomplete. The car has not been driven in years and will need to be towed or transported by trailer. Despite that, the 260Z remains a popular platform for restorations or race builds, which is why projects like this still attract attention among collectors. (13) 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, $5,000. Next is a 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL Roadster located in Chicago, Illinois. This classic German luxury convertible shows around 76,000 miles and comes with both the soft convertible top and a removable hardtop. The seller states that the car is in good structural condition for its age, with minimal rust underneath. However, it does not currently run due to what appears to be a fuel system issue. The engine will start briefly if fuel is added directly into the carburetor. Aside from faded paint and a few cosmetic imperfections, the car is described as solid overall. With relatively low mileage and a clean title, this could be an interesting restoration project for someone interested in classic Mercedes roadsters. (14) 1967 Dodge Dart, $800. Next is a 1967 Dodge Dart four-door sedan located in Topeka, Indiana. This project car is equipped with Chrysler's well-known Slant 6 engine, although it currently does not run. The seller notes that the unibody structure is in rough condition, but the interior is reportedly still in decent shape. The vehicle is being sold because the owner no longer has time to work on it. With an asking price of just $800, this Dart could serve as a parts donor or a low-budget restoration project for someone willing to take on structural repairs. (15) 1969 Chrysler Newport, $1,500. Next is a 1969 Chrysler Newport located in Gallatin, Tennessee. This large classic sedan is powered by a 383 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission and an 878 rear axle. The engine will start and run temporarily when supplied with fuel from an external container, suggesting that the fuel tank needs replacement. The car will also require brake repairs, although new brake parts are included with the sale. The seller mentions that the vehicle has some rust, but not severe enough to prevent it from becoming a rad rod-style project. With a clean title and a price of $1,500, it could be an affordable entry into a classic V8 project.
(16) 1968 Pontiac Firebird, $2,250. Next is a 1968 Pontiac Firebird project located in Newark, New York. This early Firebird comes with a 400 engine, although the seller is unsure of its condition. The vehicle originally used a 4-speed transmission setup, but the transmission itself is currently missing. It also does not come with paperwork or a title. Because the Firebird shares many components with the Chevrolet Camaro of the same era, some builders may consider using the car as a base for a custom project. With an asking price of $2,250, it is clearly aimed at enthusiasts willing to take on a major restoration or parts build. (17) 1950 Plymouth Project car, $2,500. Next is a 1950 Plymouth Project car located near Jonesboro, Tennessee. The vehicle has not run in many years, and while the seller believes the engine may not be locked up, its actual condition is unknown. The seller states that the frame is in relatively solid condition for a car of this age. The vehicle is being sold on behalf of the seller's grandfather and is offered exactly as it appears, without additional guarantees about mechanical condition. With its classic early 1950s styling and an asking price of $2,500, it could be an interesting starting point for a vintage restoration project. 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup, $4,800. Next is a 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup project located in Bristol, Indiana. This truck combines a vintage Apache body with a 1977 Chevrolet Blazer 4x4 frame and drivetrain. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 small block V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller has not attempted to start the engine, so its running condition is unknown. The truck includes off-road wheels and tires, a power brake booster, and a tow hitch. However, the windshield and driver's door glass are broken and will need replacement. With its patina and lifted four-wheel drive setup, this truck could make an interesting rat rod style build or custom shop truck. '19 1977 Toyota Corolla wagon, $1,500. Next is a 1977 Toyota Corolla Deluxe wagon located in Varnesville, South Carolina. This small Japanese wagon shows around 200,000 miles and features a manual transmission. The vehicle had been sitting in the woods for many years before being pulled out. The engine currently turns over, but its full running condition is unknown. The seller also notes that the vehicle does not come with a title. Despite these issues, early Corolla wagons have become increasingly rare, which makes them appealing to certain collectors and restoration enthusiasts. At $1,500, it could be a challenging but unique project. '19 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup, $4,800, project build. Finally, closing the list is another look at the 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup project. With its classic late 1950s styling combined with a modernized 4x4 chassis and V8 drivetrain, this truck represents the type of custom project many builders look for. Even though its running condition is unknown and several parts need replacement, the platform already includes major mechanical components that could simplify a future build. For someone interested in a vintage truck project with off-road capability, it offers an interesting starting point at just under $5,000. Which one would you take home? The Mustang, the Barracuda, or the Camaro? Let me know in the comments, and follow for more real classic car deals under $5,000.